Yeah, hello guys. Yeah, welcome to Network Pips. Today we'll be looking at the TCP and the UDP transfer protocol, and also the difference between these two and the well-known applications and their port numbers that 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 works on any of these two as well. So TCP transport protocol, this stands for Transmission Control Protocol, is known to be a more reliable transport protocol than the UDP transport protocol. For example, let me say computer A over here wants to send the data to computer B over here. Computer A will have to perform what they call a three-way handshake before before he starts sending this data across the network to computer B. So you first of all send out a message called known as a SYN message. A SYN message. Then computer B will reply with what they known as what they call a SYN a SYN ACK. Then the computer A will reply back with an ACK acknowledgement message, an ACK. So before starting to send out his data across the network to computer B. So this three-way handshake is what is known as TCP being connection oriented. So because of this three-way handshake that it performs, unlike the UDP, the UDP, the UDP, the UDP, which stands for User Datagram Protocol. Before it starts send, UDP does not perform any handshake before sending out the data. It's just sending out, just start sending out the data without even bothering if the receiving end received that message or not. So this kind of transport protocol we usually have a lot of maybe packet lost, but some applications reside there because those packet loss does not really matter. That's why some applications might reside there. So it's faster than TCP, of course, because TCP will have to establish this connection before sending out this data, and it doesn't suffer packet loss. So some of the applications that will reside on TCP will have your telnet, which is a remote connection to a device. So it's going to give you a terminal view. It's not a GUI view. You're going to see a terminal view. So which has a port number of 23. Then the SMTP, which is a mail transport protocol, which is also a TCP transport uh, type of protocol, is going to have a port number of 25. The HTTP application also has port number of 80, is going to be a TCP. Then the FTP, which is file transfer, which is for file transfer over the network. We have the secure one, which is the secure FTP as well. Then the DNS is also a TCP transfer protocol. It has a port number of 53, used for domain resolving. It's for resolving domain names. Then the HTTPS, which is the secure version of the HTTP, which is a web-based transfer protocol, web-based application for web-based applications. I mean to say. Then the SNMP protocol, which is used for network monitoring applications that uses network monitoring. Then it has a port number of 161, and also the TFTP, which is also a file transfer protocol, which is going to have a port number of 63. It's very important to have this, to know some of these applications and their port numbers, have them at heart. So these are some of the well-known ones and their port numbers. There are also a tons of tons of other applications and their port numbers that is not listed here, but this is the well-known ones. So this will be the end of this video, and I would like to thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.